We hear it all the time. GDP, economic power, national wealth. But what does that actually look like on the ground? Is it an oil field? A stock exchange? Essentially, we're examining the 8 nations that cracked the code on prosperity. The ultimate reveal starts in 5 seconds. But first, do not miss it. Subscribe to Information Thin for definitive analysis, and share this with your people. Let's look at the real engines behind the world's top economies. Number 8. Tech rebound. This is the story of a phoenix economy. Once devastated by a severe banking collapse, Ireland rebuilt itself through strategic reinvention. With a GDP per capita above $62,000, its recovery was fueled by transforming into a European hub for high-tech corporations and pharmaceutical giants. The government's tough choice to bail out its banks led to austerity, but also to a disciplined resurgence. Today, Dublin stands as a major financial center, proving that with focus and innovation, a nation can not only recover, but thrive. This turnaround was solidified by attracting massive foreign direct investment with a competitive corporate tax rate, though this is now evolving under global pressure. The workforce, highly educated and English-speaking, became its greatest asset, driving growth in sectors from software to fintech. Number 7. Flexicurity model. Denmark has turned social trust and flexible policy into a powerful economic engine. With a GDP per capita near $54,000, its model is unique. It combines a dynamic labor market, where hiring and firing processes are streamlined, with a strong social safety net, including generous paid leave. This balance fosters remarkable productivity. A world leader in agricultural exports and wind turbine technology, Denmark also leads digitally, with most public transactions handled electronically. It demonstrates that efficiency and security can drive prosperity together. The Danish flexicurity model reduces the fear of job loss by providing robust unemployment benefits and retraining programs. This creates a culture where businesses can adapt quickly to market changes without major social unrest. Number 6. Resource power. A continent nation built on natural wealth and strategic independence. With a GDP per capita exceeding $51,000, Australia leverages its immense mineral resources, holding close to 40% of the world's uranium. Its economy remains robust, supported by a steady stream of tourism to icons like the Great Barrier Reef. The government has shown its resolve to protect national assets, as seen when it blocked the foreign sale of the world's largest cattle station. Australia's prosperity is deeply rooted in its land and its determination to control it. Decades of stable growth have been underpinned by strong trade ties with Asia, particularly China, for its iron ore and coal exports. However, the economy is consciously diversifying into services, education, and technology to future-proof against commodity price swings. Number 5. Crisis comeback. This is the nation that rewrote the crisis playbook. When the 2008 financial crash hit, Iceland's banks collapsed. Its response was radical. It nationalized the banks, devalued its currency, and prioritized its citizens over foreign debtors. The result? A swift recovery. Today, with a GDP per capita near $60,000, Iceland thrives on fishing, tech, and renewable energy. By taxing individuals more than corporations, it attracted new investment while safeguarding social stability. Iceland stands as a case study in bold, sovereign decision-making. The country capitalized on its abundant geothermal and hydropower resources to create cheap, clean energy, attracting power-intensive industries like data centers. Number 4. Smart Hub. A masterclass in turning limitation into advantage. With almost no natural resources, this city-state built a GDP per capita of nearly $53,000 on pure intellectual capital and strategic logistics. It is a global financial hub, operates one of the busiest ports on Earth, and houses the world's largest oil refinery. The government's approach, minimal interference in business, coupled with strategic intervention during downturns, has created a resilient, knowledge-based economy. Singapore proves that visionary policy can build colossal power on a small island. Its success is rooted in world-class infrastructure, a zero-tolerance stance on corruption, and heavy investment in human capital through education. Number 3. Gas giant. A transformation from pearling villages to a hydrocarbon superpower. The discovery of oil and natural gas vaulted Qatar to a GDP per capita over $60,000. With 14% of the world's natural gas reserves, these resources fund its national vision. Despite facing regional diplomatic blockades, Qatar has relentlessly built a modern infrastructure of glass and ambition. Its wealth is almost entirely derived from beneath the sand, funding its rise and securing its position on the global stage through economic might. Recognizing the finite nature of fossil fuels, Qatar has strategically invested its sovereign wealth fund worldwide in real estate, finance, and technology. It has also used its wealth as soft power, hosting major global sporting events and funding influential media networks to amplify its international voice. The nation is actively pursuing economic diversification through education city projects and tourism, aiming to build a post-hydrocarbon knowledge economy. Number 2. Innovation empire. The enduring giant of innovation. Evolving from an industrial powerhouse to a service and creativity leader, the U.S. maintains a GDP per capita over $57,000. While the shift of manufacturing overseas created political upheaval, the nation's true strength solidified in sectors like finance, technology, and entertainment. Home to Silicon Valley and Hollywood, America commodifies creativity. It has weathered severe economic storms, from the 2008 crash to industrial decline, continually demonstrating an unparalleled capacity to reinvent its economic core. The depth of its capital markets and the dollar's status as the global reserve currency provide a unique buffer during downturns. Its top universities and research institutions attract global talent, fueling a relentless cycle of innovation in AI, biotechnology, and aerospace. Number 1. Wealth Masterplan. The benchmark for long-term wealth management. With a GDP per capita exceeding $70,000, Norway's prosperity is powered by oil, but defined by wisdom. The government strategically controls major assets and channels resource revenue into the world's largest sovereign wealth fund, valued at over $1.4 trillion, to safeguard future generations. This foresight is matched by deep social investment, free education, publicly owned media, and ethical investment mandates. Norway proves that the greatest wealth is not what you extract, but what you preserve and build for tomorrow. The fund is prohibited from investing in Norway itself, preventing domestic inflation and overheating, and its returns now often exceed the state's annual oil revenue.